This video is for practice page 7-2, numbers 1 and 2. Number 1 reads 54 plus blank equals 100. For this problem, we need to count on to 100 to find the missing addend. As we count, we will draw ones and then tens. You can use the space next to the problem or a piece of scrap paper. Let's try it together. So we start with 54. Then draw ones as we count up to the nearest 10. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now we draw tens as we count up to 100. 70, 80, 90, 100. Go back and count up the tens and ones that you drew. You drew 4 tens and 6 ones. That makes the number 46, and 46 is the missing addend for problem number 1. Now let's try problem number 2. 29 plus blank equals 100. We start with 29 and then draw ones as we count up to the nearest 10, 30. Now draw tens as we count up to 100, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Go back and count up the tens and ones that you drew. 7 tens and 1 1. That makes the number 71, and 71 is the missing addend for problem number 2. Use the drawing ones and then tens to count up to 100. This strategy will help you find the missing addend in addition sentences. This video is for reteaching page 7-3. We are going to show you how to use the hundreds chart to subtract. This can be confusing, so go slow while you practice. Since addition and subtraction are related, we are going to count on to find the difference. The sample problem is 36 minus 24. Start at 24. Then move down until you get to the 30s row. You move one row down because this is the row that 36 is in. One row down makes a 10. Then move to the right to get to 36. You moved over 2 spaces or 2 ones. Now count the tens that you moved down for and the ones that you moved to the right for. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So 36 minus 24 equals 12. Remember, start with the second number of the subtraction problem and then move down and to the right to get to the first number of the subtraction problem. Next, add your tens and ones that you moved. That will give you the answer to the subtraction problem. Go slow and be careful. This is for practice page 7-5, problem number 2. Here we are practicing how we read word problems. These problems may have extra information that we do not need to solve a problem, or missing information that we do need to solve the problem. Problem number 2. First, read the problem. Nico cut out 15 red circles and 10 yellow circles. Then he gave away some red circles. How many red circles does Nico have left? Then understand the problem. Nico cut out 15 red circles and 10 yellow circles, and he gave some red circles away. You are trying to find out how many red circles he has left. Ask yourself, what do I need to solve this problem? And can I solve this problem? We need to know how many red circles Nico gave away. The problem does not tell me, so we cannot find how many red circles are left. We cannot solve this problem because it is missing information.